Welcome to the channel. Today we'll be making chicken egg rolls.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making chicken egg rolls. My kids will be helping me. So yes, I have the boys in the kitchen today. Yeah, just bear with me with this recipe. But guys, if you would like to see how we made these delicious chicken egg rolls, continue watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram at lavishLooks_by KiKi. And yeah, let's get into this video. So I finished cooking the chicken chopped meat. So now my son, because this is what he wanted to eat today, the chicken egg roll. So this is how we're doing it, quick and easy for kids. He's going to now add the vegetable slaw. Go ahead, dump it in. Coleslaw down. Gotta add the vegetables. So now what are we adding?
Bell pepper.
Go ahead. Some more, Shahada. Get a big handful. Alright. So we added the bell peppers. King, go do the other ones. Get the other vegetables. King, what are you adding?
Sliced onion.
Alright, let's go. A little more. So we got our green onions and our peppers. We're going to add some of those same seasonings into this coleslaw. So that's the garlic and herb. Oh, I need to buy some more. I know I got another one in here. The onion and herb. And some garlic salt. Sorry, but I'm using garlic. Garlic's going to be in anything that I cook. That I'm going to add, what did you say, soy sauce? I'm going to add a little bit of sesame oil. Some soy sauce. Pour a little. Alright guys, we're going to let this cook and we'll be back in a second. And let me tell you guys, don't it smell good in here?
Nope.
Now, when it's time to roll these egg rolls, I don't know how that's going to go, but I'll be back in a second. So now, Shahad, make sure it's on. So I have it, the egg wrap turned sideways. Because the video I saw on YouTube, this is what they said to do. I am not good at this, but we're going to figure this out. So, we're going to put, right? How did he say to do that?
Put it all
Stop
over.
moving.
Put it all over it.
No, you can't feel it. Oh, shit. So, alright. So, you do it like this. What the hell did he say? Hold the fuck up. Alright, so I had to go watch a video on how to roll these. So, I have, my hands are clean. Pick this up, they say. Bring it in like this. Oh shit, I hear the little person. Make it tight. Right? Roll it a little bit. Oh shit. Get your egg wash. Do that. To the side like this. But where the hell is that one? Listen, this is why I don't make egg rolls. To the side like this. So now egg wash this. Egg wash. Shit, egg wash the whole thing. Turn. Turn. Hold up. Boom. Got it. Alright, it's a little something. It's gonna work. Alright, who's next?
Me.
You're the kind of guy that should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I'll be down with what you go. I'll be down.
Done.
Perfect.
This is King's.
I did better than you.
Looks like
I wanna be down with you. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's wanna be down. Wanna be
that. Right. Here's the egg rolls. I'm waiting for my oil to get hot so we can fry these babies up. We'll be back when they are finished. The oil is hot. You can hear it, and do not talk about my pot because this is my pot for frying, okay? The boys cannot help with this part because I don't let my kids play with grease. So, yeah. They'll be back at the end when it's time to eat. So, we're going to drop those rolls in here. Alright guys, this is our finishing touch. Let's give you an up close on those chicken egg rolls. They smell so good and we cannot wait to eat them. So I just, hold on guys, so I just cut one of them in half and look at the inside. You see the chicken with the veggies. Oh my god, I cannot wait to eat these. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you follow this recipe, please comment down below. Let me know how it turned out. Do it with your kids. It is very fun and they will enjoy it. Until next time, you guys already know. Be safe.